Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm pouring down my Glidden Premium on this 6x6 tile because I'm getting ready to do a bloom. One of my favorite techniques in acrylic paint pouring. This is pretty much gone now. I have got some pretty colors. This is going to dry out now. I'm going to use some blues, green, and some orange and magenta. And I'll see what this looks like. This one is Teal Golden by Golden. Try not to put too much paint down. I have a habit of doing that sometimes. And then I've got some ultramarine blue. And this one is, I think it's Winsor & Newton. Anyway, it's ultramarine blue. There's lots of gorgeous color. I love ultramarine blue. Then I've got some DecoArt Sapphire and some baby blue mixed together to make a medium blue. So these are all mixed with my bloom pouring medium, which is in the description under my video. If you hit the title, you'll get the description. It's the bloom recipe. There's also a discount code for the Sheleeart course in there. You get 15% off. And this is it's a pretty Amsterdam green, brilliant green. I thought I would try all the dark colors on the bottom. I did one earlier in these colors, but I put a lot of the blues on top and it just took over, so I'm going to change it up. This is magenta, Amsterdam permanent magenta. No, Winsor & Newton permanent magenta. And my orange is Cadmium Orange by Basics. Liquitex Basics. My cell activator is going to be oxide black. I prefer black cell activator. I just do. I could put a little bit of white. Sometimes I put white cell activator underneath my black. Let's try that today. Oh, this is very runny. Why is it so runny? And my black. I always give it a good stir first. Use my mini blower. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, it's coming off the side. See, when you put the white under the black, that you get these little peacock cells. Oh, isn't that pretty? Wow. I'm glad I put all the blues at the bottom, because then they didn't take over. Just trying to wait for the middle to settle back in. Got the blue right in the middle of that. Isn't that gorgeous? And some green around it. Wow, so pretty. All right, I'm gonna do some this to all move together. Oops, oops, oops. adding some white paint here just to help it along a bit. All right, I'm going to give it a spin. I want it to come back this way a bit. Well, now a lot of the blue's coming up from the bottom. This is pretty right there. Look at that. I like to spin it until it stops moving, because otherwise when it dries, the middle might move a bit and make your cells distorted. I can show you one that happened to me just recently, actually. This one here, I don't know why, but see how it all moved in the middle? I didn't spin it enough. That's so pretty. I might do another one. I think there's something in this here. I don't know. Yep. I'm going to have to take this out. Okay, I think, let me test this now. It's moving a little bit, so I might give it one big spin. six bin. Well, do you like it? I love it. All right.